Hi everyone, today I will show to you how to change a face with face swap. In this example we have to use two renders from my new GFX pack, naming like FC26 render pack. We have over 500 renders from FC26, and this pack you have link in description. I very recommend it with some code you have 20% discount, so I very pleasure for invite to download it. But we start the tutorial. The tutorial are about change this face for set face like Odegaard. And for this example we change the club from Barcelona to Arsenal London. Okay, first step is cut off all of the head with a neck. So we do it with a cut tool. In the Photoshop you can do it the same, but I use for this episode GIMP because I very I have very skills in GIMP, so I very know this program. Okay, we have a cut off of Jamal, sorry, and cut off. Next task is Odegaard face and neck. So we do it now. And if this video you like, you can like this video and subscribe my channel. It's very help me with the future projects. Okay, cut off, delayed, and we have Arsenal t-shirt and Yamal face. And now how to set this face are good. Okay, maybe a little bottom we can set kit and maybe scale a face. Okay, that's it. And we cover the layer under the project, and we maybe rescaling some part of the layer, and we have Yamal neck in this kit. Maybe we some scale kit, something like that. Maybe some little big, slightly big, what I mean. And we have Yamal in that shirt. So that's it. Tutorial is very simple, and we have used this render for our thumbnails. Maybe set Yamal, for example, that, and makes our background some dark and some, sorry, that's my render pack, and add some lights behind him. That's it. It's very simple tutorial, so you need just it. So thank you for the watching, and like and subscribe, and maybe download my render FC26 pack. Hi, I am Denti.